I boil this water to make it completely safe for drinking? 2 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, or maybe more, 10 minutes. In today's video, we are going to learn each and everything about boiling, which all of you should know.
First, let's understand what is boiling. Boiling is a method of purification of water. It is the easiest and effective method known so far. It occurs when water or any liquid is heated to its boiling point. In other words, a temperature at which a liquid turns into vapor. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Does clean water mean safe water? Water which looks clean may have invisible microorganisms like bacteria, virus, protozoa or parasites and harmful chemicals. What will happen if I drink contaminated water? Drinking contaminated water can make you sick with stomachache, nausea or vomiting, diarrhea and cause you diseases like dysentery, typhoid and cholera. Why should I boil water? Boiling water helps to subject it to high heat that kills these disease-causing microorganisms. According to WHO, World Health Organization, anything which is heated at 70 degrees Celsius will reduce 99.999% of microorganisms. How long should I boil water? According to CDC, Center for Disease Control and Prevention, boil water advisory, clean water should be brought to a rolling boil for 1 minute. When I say rolling boil, it means you should see stormy big bubbles on top surface. Is boiling the best method to ensure safe drinking water? No, certainly not. Don't be surprised. Water consists of organic contaminants like bacteria, viruses and protozoa. They are definitely killed by boiling, but water also contains substances like iron, lead, mercury and other harmful chemicals like pesticides, which are not destroyed by boiling. In fact, water reduces in volume after boiling, and in boiled water, concentration of these chemicals increases. So modern day filters and RO water purifiers which can eliminate these harmful chemicals along with pathogens are the best solution.